this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to extract audio from a video and reduce background noise in CapCut, all from your phone. Start by opening the CapCut app and selecting the project you're working on. Once your timeline is open, tap on the video clip that has the sound you want to work with. Now swipe through the bottom menu until you see an option called Extract Audio. It's usually located between Motion Blur and Replace. Tap on it, and CapCut will automatically separate the audio from the video and place it on its own track below. Next, tap on the newly created audio track to select it. Once it's selected, swipe through the bottom tools again until you find Reduce Noise. This option allows you to clean up any unwanted background sound, like wind, static, or chatter. Tap Reduce Noise and toggle it on. CapCut will then process the audio and filter out the background noise, making the main voice or sound much clearer. You can tap play to preview the result right away. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next one.